Infiniti Performance Engineering Academy is our search for the next generation of engineer.
The prize for the 2015 winners is going to be 8 months at Infiniti Red Bull Racing and a longer 4-month spell at Infiniti Kranfilé.
The candidates who win will be able to cross-fertilise because they're bringing that knowledge from Formula One into the road cars.
Today we're here in Russia, in Moscow, at the Infiniti dealership, where we've taken 8 candidates and we put them through a number of different tests.
Russia is one of the biggest markets and the first market for Infiniti in Europe. The knowledge and the innovation ideas of the Russian finalists is very strong.
It was a psychometric test. We were split into 2 groups and given a map to set the factory.
We're looking at how they communicate with each other, that they listen to each other, that they consider each other's ideas.
The second task was named pipeline, where we had to connect pipes to make the water flow through it with some different materials.
It's such a big project that you can't do it on your own. You've got to really cement together, have a solid plan and execute that in the time given.
We set the candidates a design exam. We're trying to assess their knowledge of engineering fundamentals, but also we're trying to understand something of how they think and how they approach engineering problems.
After that we have a roller coaster activity where all candidates was split to 2 teams to construct a roller coaster.
What we do, whether it's road engineering or Formula One engineering, you need to think outside the box. You need to have that creativity to overcome a problem.
Hey, well done. So today we've seen 8 fabulous candidates from Russia. They have had all sorts of really difficult problems thrown against them.
If I win, it will help me as an engineer and make my dreams come true.
It can help me become a really top-level engineer because I can have a really good practice in Formula One and road car.
Today we put the candidates for a number of challenges and tests, and we're still looking at them and evaluating who is going to be the winner.
The level is very high and it's going to be extremely difficult to pick out the winner from Russia.